Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you my summer 2019 favorites. I thought it would be fun to share with you some of the favorite things I've been loving this summer. So let's just get into it. So my first favorite is a beauty favorite. It is a foundation and it's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing this foundation almost every day this summer. Honestly, I did not realize how good this was. I really was sleeping on this foundation. So I was shopping for a new foundation earlier this summer and I figured I'd give this one a try. Really lightweight, really natural skin finish foundation. It doesn't look very heavy. I love this foundation, guys. It does give me a very lightweight feel, but gives me the full glam look that I like. So I'm loving using this. Definitely check it out, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Again, I'm in the shade Chai. So another beauty favorite I've been loving this summer are lip glosses. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. It's just a very natural, kind of sparkly lip gloss. For years, I did not wear lip gloss, guys. I loved matte lipsticks, mostly matte lips. And if I wanted a little sheen, I would just use like a sheen finish lipstick. But I didn't like lip glosses because I couldn't find a lip gloss with a nice texture. I felt like lip glosses were very drying on my lips, really almost like flaky, and would get like crusty and gross and just dry and super sticky. Like you're eating and everything's sticking to your lip gloss, or your hair gets stick to your lip gloss. I really did not like the texture of lip glosses for such a long time. And I decided to try out this Fenty Gloss Bomb, and it's total opposite. It's very soft, goes on very smooth, super moisturizing. It feels moisturizing, almost like you're wearing lip balm, but it gives you that high shine of a lip gloss, but it's not sticky and it lasts pretty well. So I've been loving using this. Another lip gloss that I also discovered this summer that I really like are the Pat McGrath lip glosses. I'm actually wearing a Pat McGrath lip gloss now, and I feel like the pigment is awesome, but again, super smooth with the application, very, almost feels hydrating, and gives you that high shine, but without that sticky texture. And I love it. So lip glosses have definitely been a summer favorite for me. So another favorite for me have been these Charlotte Tilbury cream eyeshadows. They're called Eyes to Mesmerize, and this is the shade Mona Lisa. Guys, there's like nothing left in there. This has been my favorite eyeshadow. I've been loving using this as just like a base for an eyeshadow look, or as a standalone eyeshadow, and it just goes on super smooth. That's in the shade Mona Lisa. It's a great color for me for like every day, but it's also a really pretty base, a base for other eyeshadow looks. And I've just been really enjoying it. It's super lightweight, very smooth in the application. I haven't even used it with an eyeshadow primer, but they still last and look beautiful, and the color is very pigmented. Mona Lisa is my favorite, but I also have it in rose gold. The rose gold is a newer one, and that I've been having fun playing with that as well. But again, I just love the textures on these. Definitely go check these out. Super smooth, long lasting, and just perfect to use as bases or standalone shadows. Alright guys, so moving along to skincare. I've been keeping my skincare routine pretty simple through summer. I feel like summer is definitely less is more type of thing. It's just like everything's easygoing. You're taking it easy. You don't want to do too much in summer, guys, right? It's like a chill change of pace, right? So one thing I want to share is the SPF that I've been using almost daily. So this is the Super Goop Play Everyday Sunscreen, and has SPF 50. Feels so good as you apply it, but it's also very hydrating and moisturizing. It does say it has sunflower extract. Very nice everyday moisturizer as well. That's what I really like about it. It says it's water and sweat resistant up to 80 minutes. Just a nice way to make sure I'm getting my SPF in the morning, but also very hydrating and moisturizing. It's a moisturizer as well. Also, I want to mention it does not leave a cast. It leaves a very sheer it's very sheer as you apply it. There's no cast, so it doesn't kind of interfere with your makeup, and it's in something that I could wear on its own as well, and it doesn't look like, sometimes sunscreen does leave a cast and this does not. So really loving items. I just have 2 fashion items to share with you. So I would say my handbag of the moment is my Chanel Le Boy wallet on chain. Again, summer, this is super easy, grab and go, so versatile. You can throw it on crossbody, you can wear it as a clutch, you can use it as a wallet, in a bigger bag for travel. Like, I am loving my Chanel wallet on chain. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see a more in-depth video and review on my wallet on chain. I'm loving it. Again, I have mine in the black lambskin leather with ruthenium hardware, and I feel like the lambskin is just holding up beautifully. Loving this, guys. So my last item are a pair of shoes. Could not do a favorites video without sharing my favorite shoes. So these are my sandals that I picked up for summer. They're by Dior. So I have my dust bag there. Alright guys, so these are my Dior Douai sandals, and they're just a simple slide sandal. Beautiful burgundy color with the Christian Dior label there. This is similar to the design of their like friendship bracelets, which I think are really nice and fun. It's very thick, and this is leather lined here on the inside, so the shoe has been really durable. Trust me guys, I've been wearing these like all the time, all summer long, and they're holding up really nicely. So I thought this would be cool to share with you guys. I picked these up in a size 40, I think. And yeah, I'm loving them. That's it for today's video. Those are my summer 19 favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, of course, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching today. Till next time.